All right, in this video, we're gonna turn Welch's grape juice into wine. I'm gonna put it in a decoy bottle, and then we're gonna compare it to an actual bottle of wine. The taste tester in this video is my wife. She's a big fan of wine. I'm gonna see if I can trick her. I have a bottle of wine that I've emptied here. This is gonna be my decoy bottle to make my wife think that there's actually like nice wine in here. This is a nice bottle. All right, cool. This guy up here. So the idea is that I'm going to siphon out of there down to the bottle. I'm gonna put another hose in here and I'm actually gonna blow air into it. Try to get the siphon started. There we go. Do I sample it before she gets here? I don't know, man. All right, so I soak this in some sanitizer solution, put it in my corker here, and oh, all right. Okay, went a little deep on that one. Gonna have to back it out with the corkscrew. Okay, this is my wife. All right, this is my wife, April. She's here to help us taste test this wine. I made one and one is bought from the store. And we're gonna figure out if she can tell the difference between the two. Natural wine was actually April's 2020 stay-at-home hobby. All the money that we would have saved by not going out to restaurants, we invested in like a wine connoisseur program that April just kind of ran by herself at home. So
you made one.
I made one, yeah. And I'm not gonna lie, I think it turned out pretty well. This can be a dead giveaway. I think it turned out I'm pretty happy with it. All right, so wine number one. We'll just taste both, then we'll, maybe we can talk about it.
Okay.
And then we'll taste the other, and then we'll do the comparison.
All right.
What do you think about the smell?
It's actually really fruity.
Yeah.
Grapey.
Very grapey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna say I don't actually usually smell grape.
Yeah.
Even though it's made from grapes.
Right. The real question is, how forgiving is my wife? Will she say, oh, nice job, you really did a great job, I really like this, or will she just trash it?
It's sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Tart.
It is tart.
This is like a bright, I would say bright.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Ready for wine number two?
Yeah. This one smells different.
No grapes at all.
A lot more tannins.
I don't know what that is.
Is this a natural wine as well?
Yeah. Both are natural.
Do I get to guess which one you made?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think you made this one.
But do you like it?
I do.
You don't? Okay, let's pour this out. Let's drink a little bit more of this one.
Okay.
Or drink it wherever you want. Oh, happy dry January, by the way.
That's right. Okay.
It just has a peculiar smell to it.
I've never smelt that. But
Yeah.
I wonder if that goes away, well, in my theory, in the aging process.
Yeah, I want to be nice to myself, and since this is my own creation that I made here, and
Oh, so I was
say
right.
that this, well, you guessed it. It really has like a bathroom smell to me. It's like something
bathroom.
smells like a porta-john or something. I don't
What?
know. Okay, it has a high-end urinal cake smell. Not just a high-end one, a good one.
A good one.
Or, a Glade plug-in. I don't know. It has some sort of
All right.
artificial smell to it.
You're changing it for me, but I see what you're saying.
What kind of grapes do you think I used?
Concord grape. Do I actually have to close my eyes?
You have to close your eyes.
I have to close
Because there has to be a reveal.
Okay.
Okay?
Can I keep drinking though?
Yeah, you can keep drinking. You what?
Ready.
Open them.
Welch, that's.
You nailed it, actually.
You.
Pay it off.
It paid off.
This investment paid off.
I know exactly what I'm talking
She knows
about.
her grapes.
It passes because of the tartness.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for all that time and energy and effort you put into drinking all that wine in 2021.
You're welcome. You know, I knew it would pay off.
Cheers.
Cheers.